Hello.
Hey guys, it's Becca from Miller's Crossing Design. We're here live at Witty Wicks in Camillus, New York. We have a Secret Santa that we're going to be doing today for a customer. Julie wants to tell you a little bit about the story.
So we did a dresser and we put it on Facebook, and this one woman shared it, and somebody saw that she shared it and liked it and was kind of hoping to get it. So they came into the store and purchased it for her, wanted to remain anonymous. So we're here to deliver it to her today and just kind of make someone's new year start off right. So we're gonna go in, we're gonna let the kids take the camera. Say hello, kids.
Hello.
They look so thrilled. All right, so here we go. You're on, Hudson.
I'm killing it.
Jody. Jody, come out wherever you are.
She's like, I don't want to.
Hi.
Hi, Jody.
Hi.
I'm Becca from Miller's Crossing Design.
Hi.
You follow my page?
Yes, I do. It's so nice to meet you.
I'm Julie. Hi,
Hi,
you're
it's
a
nice to meet
sidekick.
you too. Oh my God, I'm so excited to meet you. Oh my
So,
God.
We have a surprise for you. It's a Secret Santa.
Okay.
Here's the card.
Thank
Want to
you.
follow us?
I do. Oh my God. I'm so excited right now. So do I open this or do I wait? You can wait. Oh, you can wait. Oh my God. What's happening? Oh my God. I did.
Someone saw it, and someone wanted you to have this.
Oh my God.
You said you have 2 daughters, and you just moved to a new place. And he said that he wanted you to have this lemon tea.
Oh my God.
So he came,
And
and we're here to deliver it.
Thank you. Oh my God, do you need to go to my house or?
Yes. We'll bring it to you.
Yes.
Bring it to you.
Thank you.
And you said you were working till 3.
At 4.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
sorry. Oh my God. I can't believe this. I can. She's like, what's going on?
Do you want to come see
You
it?
can come see it. You can come see it. Oh my God. I'm so I can't even. I'm so overwhelmed right now. Thank you. It is such an honor to meet you. And I still haven't been to your store. And I haven't been to your store. I haven't been to yours. You're here now. Oh my God.
And somebody bought this for her. And
I posted it that I wanted it. She shared it. She just finished this herself. And I shared it on my page. I was like, I need this.
We're here to deliver it, but you didn't have to.
Oh, I'm so sorry, guys.
It's okay. Sorry. And Julie painted it. It was her first.
Oh,
my first
Julie.
ever.
Oh, beautiful.
Oh, you're
such a wonderful job. And
I learned all I can from Becca.
Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my God. Well, let me give you my address.
Yes.
Okay, I'll be right back. I'll just go write it down for you. Oh my God, they're coming. Come back in. Yes, no, I followed her. Like, I'm obsessed with her. You have no. She used to be on your She did the parade at Holmes' house that I love so much.
She was in the barn with us.
Oh my
So that's
God.
why when she came in, I was like, oh, I thought maybe you were in the
Oh,
barn.
I am just shaking right now. Okay, do I know my address right now? Yes, I do. It's not even too far from here. It's right down in Solvay.
Perfect.
Oh my God. Okay, so it's 105. It's a duplex, so it's the left side and the left half. So I'm gonna leave here right at 4. Perfect. I'll move over there. Thank you guys so much.
I'm so happy.
This is just like the best day ever.
You're welcome.
This is the start
Enjoy.
of such a good new year. You
It's
have
gonna
no
be an
idea
amazing
how
year.
hard this year has been for me. So I'm just.
It's going to be amazing.
It's gonna be amazing.
Thank you.
It's
So
on.
nice to meet you. And I'm coming right to your shop this week. I promise.
Oh my God.
No, I have to come. Thank you
Yes.
so much.
You're welcome, honey. honey.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Isn't
I know.
Alright, you can turn off.